Here's how to connect your HP Envy 6120E printer to your PC using a USB cable. First thing you need to do is turn your printer around, and beside the power cable you'll see that there is a sticker covering the USB slot. Pull this sticker off. Then we're going to take this end of your USB cable and plug it into the back of the printer. Next, we're going to take the other end of the USB cable and plug it into your PC. The next thing you need to do is install the drivers so that the printer works properly. So I'll leave this link down below. Come to this page and scroll down and click on this blue download button for the HP Easy Smart. That's going to download, open up the file, and then we're going to press yes when it asks to allow the app to make changes. After around 30 seconds to a minute, you'll get the HP Easy Smart pop-up. So I'm going to decline this optional data, but you can accept it if you want. Then it's going to search for your printer. When it finds your printer, you'll get this pop-up. So we want to press detect cable because we're not connecting to Wi-Fi, we are connecting via USB. So click on detect cable. Then it's going to give this message that it's searching for printers again. Just wait. Then it will give you two different printers. You want to select the one that says USB connected. Click on that. And now it's going to check for the necessary drivers. It's going to ask you to choose a connection method. Select a USB cable, then press continue. Press continue again. To finally connect, you need to enter your printer's PIN. So to find that, turn your printer around, and at the back you'll see this white sticker, and in the top right you'll be able to find your printer's PIN. So go ahead and type it in and press submit. It's going to load some more. Then you'll get this message. We'll decline the optional data, but you can accept it if you wish. Then finally click continue setup. It will then ask you to choose your software and driver. We'll select full software and drivers, then press continue. Once the software installs, we're now ready to add it to our PC. Press the Windows button, then search for printers and scanners. Then you should see your printer appear below. If it doesn't appear automatically, you can click Add Device in the top right, then it should appear. Finally, to print, go ahead and open up whatever it is you're wanting to print on your computer, and then in the top left, you will see the print icon. Sometimes it's in the top right, but if you can't find it, you can just press Ctrl+P, and that will open up this window. So here you can make sure your printer is selected, and you can change a few other settings as well if you want. So when you're happy with everything, simply come down and press print.